What if understanding your energy use started with a simple question? How much do we really know about our electricity? From lighting to entertainment, modern homes need power. With rising energy costs, many seek alternative energy solutions and DIY projects. Could a motor concept help people understand energy and efficiency better? Most homes rely entirely on the electrical grid. This system is usually reliable. However, costs and outages can inspire exploration of other options. Homeowners often begin with practical steps. They replace inefficient lighting, monitor usage, and reduce consumption. Some explore solar power, battery storage, or generators. Yet, many energy solutions seem costly or complicated, leaving DIY learners seeking accessible educational projects. For many, interest lies in understanding systems they rely on daily. When electricity works quietly, we often take it for granted. Greater knowledge fosters awareness and confidence. How is electrical output measured? What role do magnetic forces play? Curiosity and education can lead to self-reliance. Failing to review energy use can allow inefficiencies to persist. Devices may stay on unnecessarily. Older appliances often consume excess electricity. Many homes lack basic backup plans. Online energy claims can be difficult to assess. Bold promises are enticing, but every DIY concept needs careful examination. What is the measurable energy input? What is the actual output? Can results be independently tested? Does the project follow established principles? Energy awareness doesn't require drastic changes. It can start with practical steps. Track your use, improve efficiency, and reduce waste. Ask about responsible backup options and explore DIY systems with realistic expectations. Understanding options leads to informed decisions. Enter the Orgone Energy Motor discussion. This digital program includes blueprints, instructions, and information on building a DIY motor based on Wilhelm Reich's ideas. It covers a motor design with components like rotors, stators, and magnetic forces. It appeals to those interested in DIY energy systems and alternative energy education. However, maintain realistic expectations. Claims of continuous energy or free electricity should be verified. Performance depends on design and construction quality. Electrical projects come with risks. Follow safety procedures and local regulations while seeking professional guidance. Exploring alternative energy begins with learning. You gain awareness about energy generation and efficiency. You learn to ask better questions about performance and limitations. For DIY enthusiasts, projects offer the chance to explore engineering ideas. Even understanding limitations brings value. The goal isn't instant energy independence. It can be about learning, awareness, and evaluating ideas carefully. Electricity supports modern life, yet many ignore how systems work. Becoming energy aware may start with curiosity. By reviewing energy use and improving efficiency, we can make informed decisions. Self-reliance isn't about disconnecting but better understanding existing systems. If DIY energy or alternative projects interest you, check the link in the description for the Orgone Energy Motor Guide. Review the information carefully, compare claims with engineering principles, and decide if this project suits your interests. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. What alternative energy concept would you like to explore?